Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple lantern swag. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and put it in the Bowdabra, and also so that I'll have enough left over to tie this onto my mini lantern. So I'm just going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath. Then what I'm going to do is take my wired burlap and I'm going to say this is the right side. So I'm going to twist it, lay this in, fold it back over, and we're just doing a loop. So it's really simple to do. Then I'm going to take this here, and again, I'm going to go the opposite direction. I'm going to twist it, lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm twisting it because this is the wrong side of the ribbon and I want that to be on the inside of my loop. Lay this down in here. Then I'm going to take this one here, do the same thing, twist it, lay it down into my Bowdabra, fold it back over, and this time I'm not going to twist. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm going to twist this, fold it over, and I've already dovetailed the ends, so I don't have to make you watch me dovetail. Then what I'm going to do here is lay in my floral fillers, lay this down in here, and then I have this beautiful fall pick, and I'm just going to lay my fall pick down into the center. Then I'll take my wand, give everything a good push, take the ends, bring them up, bring it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, and pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. Now we made this one for our mini lantern, but you could do exactly the same thing and make it for a larger lantern. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have over 950 videos. And if you subscribe, then you'll be notified when we go live as well, which we do at least once a week. So I'm going to just now tie this onto my lantern, and I'll just tie it here, and I'll just clip the excess. And now you have this beautiful lantern, and it's so super simple to make. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.